Hello friends, welcome to another episode on A to Z Home and Garden with your Kalyan. If you are finding my videos useful, please do like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I post new videos. Today, what I want to show you is most of you might have all these electronic gadgets like iPhone, iPad. They are very expensive and it's very important to protect them. So in today's episode, I want to show you the easiest way to install a iPad screen protector. Let me show you how to do that. Please remember, this is not a product promotion. I found this glass screen protector 2-pack on Amazon for $5.99. This is for a 10.2 inch diagonally 10.2 inch 9th generation iPad, and it came with two glass protectors, one wet wipe, okay, one dry wipe, okay, and a dust collector and a guide. Now what we have to do is the first thing is you have to thoroughly clean your iPad. For that I'm going to use the wet wipe. And one more thing before you start this work is turn off any AC or do not sit near to the vent. Any speck of dust that is going to land on here is going to be a problem later on. So the best thing to do is to turn off the AC. It's good idea to wash your hands with soap so you don't have any oil on your fingers. So that is also one thing. And first thing first, we want to use the wet wipe, okay, and clean the surface so that there's no oil or any fingerprints or anything on it. Okay, just clean it very thoroughly, okay, side to side. Okay, once you have done that to your satisfaction, no, I still see some fingerprints here. I just want to get all of them. Perfect. Now once you have done that, use the dry wipe, wipe it thoroughly. I happen to have extra guide stickers. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove a couple of guide stickers, and you'll see why I'm placing them the way I'm doing it. Okay, and I'm going to stick them about 3 or 4 on the side. While you are doing that, remember not to touch the screen, so you might end up with fingerprints all over again. That's 4. And now just wipe it off one more time in case my hand touched the screen. Now take the glass out of the case and dry fit it to your satisfaction. Once you have done that, now is a good time to put the guide stickers onto the glass. All right, now run your fingers to the side so you don't feel any glass coming out of the area. And now what you can do is you can open it like a book and make sure there's no dust. This is when you can use the dust absorber here. Put it on your middle finger and slowly make sure there's no speck of dust anywhere, lint, dust, whatever. So that is why I asked you to turn off the AC. Now is a good time to remove the back slowly. Since you already dry fitted this, okay. Oh, there's a dust here. I don't know if it's on the top or okay. All you have to do is use those stickers, okay, and slowly drop the glass onto that surface and watch the magic. See how I've got a professional look on this. There's no single air bubble in this, and the secret is having the guide stickers on here, so it does not go back and forth. And also this is your lifesaver. Okay, if you have got an air bubble, all you have to do is take a credit card, or you could take the back of this and just squeeze it. Okay, and just slowly try to squeeze it, and it will do the trick. Okay, but in my case I don't have any. Finally, all you have to do is remove this guide stickers. When you do, do not pull them very strongly, because that might lift the glass. So very gently you just remove those guide stickers, and that's about it. It's very easy if you install it this way. So once you're done installing, you want to give the glass a good wipe. If you want, you can also use alcohol and just give it a good rub. Okay, I'm going to use that wet wipe that came. Okay, just to remove any fingerprints on here, and then install the protective cover as well. Even if it falls, it has this tempered glass protection, and to give it more protection, I'm going to also install the case. This is how you professionally install a glass protector on an iPad. So with this, the iPad is fully protected with the cover and the glass protector. So that is how you protect your iPad. Even if it falls now, it has full protection. So if you are finding my videos useful, please do like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon so you get notifications in a timely manner. And I will catch you in the next video, and thank you all for your support.